That's for him.
So let's put that on another desktop. Okay, so our stated intention today, is it not?
I don't know. You're offline by this thing. That thing's your own. Come here, Twitchy Twitch.
No, it should be avdi.codes.
Oh, avdi.codes. Thanks. Fuck you. Fuck you, Twitch. Fuck all of you. Codes. Avdi.codes. There it is. Maybe. Okay, yeah.
Okay. Is audio working?
Oh, fuck if I know. Yeah. Maybe.
Okay. That's us. Is audio working? Cool.
This is good. I'm a little drunk.
Do. I'm rolling now.
Okay.
Missed. Okay, so the stated intent today is to see if we can duplicate the functionality of some Zapier thingy, some Zapier machine in dark and see how easy it is or hard.
Or what we can find to curse at.
Or, yeah. Well, that's inevitable. Okay, so, God, I have so many. Some of them are even on.
Here's Zaps.
Those are all off, so I must
Zapier is a thing that like automates integrations, right?
Yeah,
and it has a bunch of integrations on the from and the to side, and you can make a zap that goes between them.
Yeah, it's kind of like programming with Duplo blocks.
Because you're not supposed to have to be a programmer.
Yeah, but the
problem is we are a programmer.
That like they have the integrations already set up, so you don't have to like figure out how to talk to somebody's API. They've got it already feeding in. What's a good one of these?
Is there one you're having trouble with, or want to do something more specific with?
What was I messing around with? I was messing around with a couple of them the other day. Let's see. There's
that one is called Name Your Zap. So is that one? Do not vote for.
Well, yeah, as you might imagine, if it's not named, I have not completed it.
Oh, it's off. Okay.
Yeah.
Off. So those are drafts.
Those are drafts, yeah.
Look at all these other drafts.
Some of them aren't drafts. Some of them are things that I turned off because I was no longer using them. But I've been keeping them around, A, in case I turn them back on, and B, because I kind of want to write more about some of these at some point, and I didn't want to lose them. At some point, I'll have to start deleting them just because I'll hit my cap.
Zap cap,
yeah. Oh, that's a fun one. That would be hard to. Well, that would take a while to reproduce, though.
The generation?
Yeah, that's the one that comes up with those fun like recipe names, which requires it's a fun zap. It's we wouldn't get through the whole thing. Okay, so we catch a hook from Slack, which is a command from Slack.
Okay. Oh, it's a command. All right.
Yeah, so it's a slash command from Slack.
Oh, wow.
Here, I should actually show you how this works.
Yeah.
Let's see. Let's go over here. Generate ID.
Top up, generate ID. Oh, so Avdigrim is the chef?
Yep. All right, crunch, 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 crunch. There we go. Asparagus lemon pasta with avdi gram.
Okay, so you made a Slack integration.
Yeah, and so what this is doing is it's actually going to a Google Sheets, a Google spreadsheet that I threw this recipe data set.
Wait. Can we look at that again? The output.
Yeah.
The fuck is asparagus lemon pasta as a dessert?
This is a dessert.
I thought. Oh, it's an appetizer. Okay. Right.
I don't think it's an appetizer.
Oh,
either.
I'm used to like apricot almond tart. It's just.
It's alphabetical.
Is this just like a combination of ingredients?
It's an actual recipe data set that I found somewhere.
Asparagus lemon pasta.
I didn't say it was a good data set.
Or a good recipe.
Yeah, no idea.
I am not bothered by having burned this name in our experiment.
Me neither. I have plenty. Yeah, it's just I found a data set. I threw it in a Google sheet. I lightly cleaned it up.
Okay.
And what this does is it goes down basically checking them off, saying yes, I use this one. And in the Google sheet, we could even look at that if I could find it, which is doubtful.
That's got to be in the Zap, right?
I don't know if there's an actual link to it. Let's see.
Why the fuck? How could there not be? It has to know what spreadsheet it's using.
Yes, we know the name of the spreadsheet.
Click on it.
Wait, no. Well, that's just to fill in something else. That's not a link to it.
Well, what's that thingy?
Oh, it's just different. It's just different docs that it found in my Google Sheets or Google Docs account.
Okay.
Yeah, I mean, we can look at this though. Recipe names for Ruby tapas. Okay, so docs. And of course, it always goes to the wrong account. Yeah. Oh, great. Now my email addresses are on the stream.
Is that bad?
Yes.
You hate emails.
I do hate emails, except I love them, except I hate them. All right, behold. I love some of these. Accidental chicken.
Accidental chicken. Okay, that's all-purpose crust, all-American turkey, a Hollywood ham.
Anyway, you can see that these are all checked off as used. So
that's why we're very much in the A's. Okay, that's why we're on asparagus.
And there we go.
Asparagus lemon pasta. Ooh.
Your brain just broke, didn't it?
No! Asparagus mimosa? That's terrible! No! Oh, assorted vegetables. Okay, that works. Asparagus tart. Iffy. Asparagus velouté. I don't know what that is, but all right. I'm in that. Asparagus risotto. Now that's actually good. I would make asparagus risotto. Avocado mayonnaise. Avocado daiquiri. Okay, I would drink that.
Would you drink Aunt Agatha?
If it's a
it sounds like a drink.
Yes, but not an asparagus mimosa. That's not on the list. I mean, it's on this list, but it's not on my list.
Anyway.
FYI.
Okay. So it looks up the next row that doesn't have a yes in it. Okay. It isn't used. Then it updates it to use. Then it does a bunch of text munging to get these different versions.
If you typed it twice quickly, you might conflict and you might get the same row twice. But it's your Slack.
No, because Zapier would serialize them.
Zapier serializes. Oh, so it won't complete it won't start the second execution of this zap until the first one is completed.
Probably
so
not.
Your zaps are serialized.
Probably. I don't even know how they do it.
I don't even know.
Yeah.
Yeah. Why would you know? It's opaque to you.
Yeah. I mean, I guess theoretically, they could screw themselves up.
I mean, it's not a problem.
It's not a problem
because you just don't type the thing that often.
Anyway, this would be this is a big one to try to reproduce. There's a lot going on here.
Okay. But we don't need to reproduce this one.
No.
What I want to reproduce is the very first part, the trigger. The slash command in Slack.
Can we do a different one?
Can we do slash command in Slack? Because slash command in Slack is fun. If we can do slash command in Slack, it'll be fun.
They already have a. Okay, my argument against that is they already have a tutorial for doing that in Dark. So it's not interesting to explore. Like they have a tutorial for building a Slack command.
Let's see if it works.
Yeah, that's true.
Just because they have a tutorial for it doesn't mean it's not hard. Have you been a programmer? I
don't want to redo that one. I want to do one that, like you said, I want to do one one that's like been giving me trouble lately.
Oh, well, has one been giving you trouble lately?
I mean, I have been working on which ones was I filed a few support. You know what? I should look at my support requests, and that'll give me
your support requests. See if there's ones you've been having trouble with.
What a brilliant idea! Wouldn't it be cool if Zapier actually had an easy way to find my frigging support requests? I don't think that even exists. All right. They don't have a ticket listing, whatever. Or if they do, I can't fucking find it. Do. Well, yeah, there's this one because they don't even support Dropbox for Teams right now, so that's kind of a doozy. Mm-hmm. What would we... What would we have to do for this one?
Dropbox for Teams. What do you want to do for this one?
I used to have a nice automation that would take new videos that I dumped in a particular video in Dropbox. And as soon as it saw one there, it would shunt it over into Wistia.
Okay.
Zapier broke that a long time ago.
To Wistia.
Yeah, Zapier broke that a long time. Zapier broke that a long time ago. And I've been trying to get it back ever since, every now and then.
But did Dropbox break the...
No, Zapier broke it.
Zapier broke it.
Well, it might have been based on a Dropbox limitation. They stopped supporting files larger than 100 megabytes was the first breakage. But the second breakage was...
Wait. You can't put files larger than 100 megs in Dropbox anymore?
No, Zapier wouldn't pick up, load a file bigger than 100 megabytes.
Well, that's promising because we wanted something.
But then they broke it even further, which is that Dropbox now has Dropbox for Business, which is what I use for Ruby Tapas. Mm-hmm. Zapier doesn't support that API. They will only look at your personal files. They won't look at your team files.
Well, perfect, because we want to do something else. So, what does Dropbox do?
So the question
What's the webhook there?
That's the question is, can we subscribe to a webhook?
Yes.
Or do we have to, poll? Because I don't want to poll. I want it to, ping us when there's a new file. Team information and auditing. Team member management. What? Whatever. App creation. Testing your application. Member file access. Dropbox business app can make calls to Dropbox for any member of Dropbox business team.
Don't touch it, Chess. Don't touch it. You'll fuck it up.
You will fuck it up.
I can do that over here on this computer.
Ooh, webhooks. Dropbox Business API apps that have specified a webhook URL in the app console will receive change notifications for the team.
Okay.
There are two classes of change notifications, each associated with different permissions. Team member file access notifications. Apps with the team member file access permission will receive per user webhook notifications from all members of the team. Webhook notification contains a list of all member IDs that have changes within their account. Similar to the, whatever. What? Team change notifications. Apps with team member management or team member file access permissions will receive webhook notifications for changes to the team membership. I don't want changes to a team membership. I want fucking changes to the files.
Yeah, duh. Ooh, this looks fun. To set up a new webhook, find your app in the app console and add the full URI for your webhook. An initial verification request will be made to that URI. That's perfect, because then we can do the dark thingy.
All right.
Let's just do it. Go make a dark app.
Well, I have to make an app here.
No. Make a dark app
All right.
first.
Let's see, which is... that's right. Yeah, you have to do it this way.
Banana, Dropbox, carrot, lizard, black cherry.
What? Are these code words?
No, they're random names.
Klaatu.
The fuck is Klaatu? That's way more random than anything I just whispered at you.
I mean, you're the one who ordered the burrata earlier.
That's a cheese, and it was on the menu.
Yeah, well...
Is it in your recipes? Do you have any burrata in your recipes?
No.
Spreadsheet?
No.
Because you should.
But in my world, on that, since that thing came with that dish was composed of 3 elements.
Mushrooms and cheese and bread.
Yes, the mushrooms were nikto, and the bread was Klaatu. All right. So first off,
all right, so we have, what's the URI for this app?
That's what I was trying to squeeze out of my brain. Okay.
I wish it would tell us.
It needs to do that. It needs I feel like it's time to loop the dark people into the fact that we're yelling at dark right now.
Okay.
So that we can yell more constructively.
Should we tweet at them?
Well, I'm just going to go on Slack.
Oh, on the dark Slack. Okay. Right. Because there is a thing. I'm going to look it up. What? That isn't what I expected.
It's stream is. Can you flip over to the? I just want the URL. Remind myself the URL. It's just twitch.tv/avdi.codes. Oh man, I have a really old profile picture on this Slack. Well,
yeah, but it's sexy.
No, this one. That one's not sexy.
Which one? Oh, you're right. That one's not sexy.
See?
Right. Yep. That's your old, goody two shoes picture.
And this one picked up. Oh my god! I've got to get this one off the web. I would love to look like I did when I was 20, but I don't.
You don't think so?
I don't think I look.
That's all right. I don't think
I was older than 20, but not by a lot. But yeah, that I think I still have a lot of gravatars using that image.
You don't look that different. Well, you have glasses now.
I do. Okay. Yeah, they need to like show what the endpoint is for a given. There's a certain transformation.
There is, and can we put that in the UI and make it easy?
Not HTTP client. I want to go to trace-driven development.
What do we need to hit to start it?
In another tab, visit username-canvasname.builtwithdark.com/something. Okay.
Okay. Username-canvasname.
Okay, so avdi. Wait, what's my username?
Yeah, that's.
Yeah, it's just avdi. Okay.
Yeah,
avdi
that could be like a link in the left bar of hit this. Built with dark.
Built with dark.com
/yo.
Okay.
There's the 404 we wanted.
And here.
There it is.
There's that. Okay, that's our.
Oh, there it is.
Our trace.
That's our trace that we wanted.
Okay, so we know
so
that's.
Now
working.
you can say.
I don't want this anymore. I don't actually want a /yo. This just confirms that we know what the right endpoint is.
Right.
Endpoint name is. So
I don't know how to make
this can fuck right off.
Okay.
And
now you can go to Dropbox.
Oh god, this is gonna suck.
Why? I mean.
Sorry, wait a minute. There's an application for production status.
When you are ready to exit development and deploy your app more broadly. That's console. Not an issue. We just want it to work for ours. Create app. Click the button. Create a new app on the DBX platform. I guess you want the Java.
Business API.
All right. Member file access. That seems what we want.
Yep.
Name your app Klaatu, which is something about bread.
All right.
Oh, redirect URI. Redirect? Okay. What? Redirect? OAuth.
Webhooks. Oh, I want recipes. Okay, so start with this.
What you guys building with Dropbox? I got that.
Oh yeah, you're on the dark. Yeah, you are. Okay.
And okay, I said we want to respond to file upload.
Unacceptable status 404 from server.
We can do something about that.
Woo. All right, so.
What are we supposed to respond to?
Let's check this out.
You should say content type text plain, content type options no sniff.
Okay.
It says that. In
All
the
right. Well,
response.
first off, I'm just taking a look over these headers and whatnot. Do. All right. What does it need to be?
You just need to set some headers. You can say hello in the response. Oh. You need to say some sort of, how do we make a response again?
How do we make a response again? That's an excellent question.
That's nice.
I think I want to
set headers on the response. How do I set headers on the response?
I think that
I'm
means.
gonna Google that.
Yeah. Well. Yeah. Do you have their? Do you have their?
Yeah. Java. How does it? No, I don't care about. Oh.
They're not picked up by Google yet. Just go to their. Go to the. No. Like. That's the. Yeah. What? No. What
the fuck? Shit.
No. You want to be darklang.github.io/docs.
Hold on. No. Fuck that. I'm fucking making a pull request to this README right now.
Yeah.
Because Docusaurus is about to link to Docusaurus.
The top link in this README.
And the top link in this README is going to be
darklang.github.io/docs.
Yes. Okay. Pardon me. Wow.
Yes, thank you. I concur with that.
Yeah. Yeah, so you can go there. You go there and look at it. I'm going to be busy fixing it. Sorry, I know I have this cloned already.
Yeah, you do. All right, let's see. API endpoint.
Because if drunk me can't find the docs from the docs repo, I can do something about that.
I don't want to return a 9. I want to know how to set my fucking headers. HTTP responses? Response value. That is very little information. HTTP :
What? You're setting something to forbidden.
That's not useful. To use set cookies, I can use HTTP set cookie to create a suitable. I just want to know how to return headers.
Well, you want to set the headers on the time.
I mean, is it a typed thing here?
Hold on. Let response equals. No. Save response. No. And let it be HTTP okay. Ooh. Success. Yes. Okay. Now you're going to return response. But in between, we need to...
Any is not helpful.
Okay. And then return a response and see what that does. That's a good idea. Okay, can we get Dropbox to resend the verification? Because that's important.
Yeah, I guess so.
Or Postman. Failed to verify.
How do I?
Re-fucking send, Dropbox. Okay, that's probably word. No, you did not get a 404. Did we get something? No.
6 minutes ago. God damn it, Dropbox.
Fuck, Dropbox. Fucking resend the fucking shit.
What kind of useless ass bullshit is that?
Seriously, Dropbox? God damn it.
What does it take to resend? Do I have to recreate this every time I want you to resend it?
Yeah, exit and then make a new one. Make the same one again. Push the X.
Hang on, let me copy this.
Fuck you, Dropbox.
Jesus. Well, at least it's still filled.
Did it get a 200? Oh, we got a 200!
Right.
Did it get the foo? Okay, it got that in the body.
Okay,
Apparently
so it's
that's the body.
defaulting to application JSON when I do that. And it's sending
that's the body.
And that's the body. All right, well, that's nice.
All right. So how do we send a success with headers? Right.
Somebody might have said something in the Slack by now.
Well, let me check.
Or stream comments.
Get HTTP client. Get v4. What?
Get? No, I'm not trying to get from here. I'm trying to respond to a get.
You're responding to a get, but I mean, maybe that's the thing instead of success.
No, it's not, because that's HTTP client. That's specifically for making. HTTP client
that's
is
to
for
make
making.
it. That would be like for the test. Okay. For the test, which is useful. Which is also useful. So you could do that. You could make the REPL thing. There's a REPL thing. One of those things.
I don't need to request. I can request it from the browser. I mean, I can just.
Yeah, but it's a pain in the ass because.
Is it?
Well, it's just Dropbox. In Dropbox, it was a pain in the ass. Whatever.
Or I can do Postman or curl or any of them.
Yes, there are many ways to request. The question is.
I'm going to go ahead and start a Postman session.
Okay.
Because I'm going to need to fiddle with this for a little bit. Yes, do it.
Ellen says we can make a whole live stream of us responding to your live stream. We will accept hints about how to send headers.
What?
Do you want to save?
Changes, go
Oh, this is Postman. Postman.
Don't look.
You understand Postman.
Well, slightly more than you do, because I actually spent some time with it recently.
Yeah.
It's one of those things that I'm trying.
I wanted to be a better curl, and it's a lot more than that.
Okay, remember when you first wanted? Well, maybe you never did. Imagine if you had first wanted PowerShell to just be like Bash, only with more.
Yeah, well, that's what I want. I want Postman. I want Postman to be like curl, only with more, and it's not.
Yeah, that's
it's like no. First the more, then the curl, and I'm like, fuck your more, get out of my way.
That's exactly what PowerShell was.
Yes.
And you had to.
But they have made aliases. So in PowerShell.
Yeah, so it's more confusing.
Yes, exactly. First, you get some until you try to RM like -RF. And then it's like, whoa, no, you're not where you thought you were. And you're like, oh, -remove, -force. Obviously, you couldn't just translate that to -RF. Anyway. Because that doesn't fit with your actually very elegant and consistent model of
You had to like sit down and understand the PowerShell
And I
way
have not done that
before
with
you didn't
Postman.
want to, before you stopped trying
It's
to
totally my thing about
throw
using
your computer
software.
through the window.
Using software is a science in the sense that you need a paradigm of what it does.
Mm-hmm.
And Postman has a paradigm that's much broader than curl, more general than curl. And if you try to use it with a curl paradigm, you're just going to get pissed off, which I totally do.
Yeah, this is why I want to do that other stream with you, where we play with Postman, but we also play with one of the VS Code curl plugin. You know, the one that lets you have like sessions, but it's or like I don't know if it's curl, but it's like requests.
Okay.
Every editor has like a curlish thing that somebody has written, where you get to have like
every editor has a slightly better than curl.
Yeah.
Or its own interface to curl.
Yeah, like, I mean, it's always an extension that someone wrote where you get to, like...
I've always just used, like, curl and piped it to JQ.
And, like...
It's so Unixy.
For the first, like, 20 minutes, that's great. And then you start wanting to have sessions that are actually fucking saved so you can come back to it later and be like, okay, yeah, I did this request, then I plugged this information from there into this next request.
Oh, right. As soon as you get into, like, actually simulating, like, actual websites actually hitting your...
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. That's totally different.
And then it's just like, it's either you start from scratch or you have a notes file full of your curl
wait.
requests.
So it's not like...
You want a notebook.
Hold on. It's not like Postman in the sense of you get some mail, you open the fucking mail. It's more like dude who knocks on your door and wants to give you financial advice and have a conversation.
I'm not following this at all.
I'm just trying to say it's not like the post office where it's just one.
Yeah, no, it's not like that.
It's not like that. It's stateful.
Yes.
It's stateful.
Do you know what like Jupyter notebooks are?
Yeah, in Python.
Yeah,
Jupyter with a Y.
Yeah, like you need...
It's like Python with a Y.
Right.
Yeah.
You need a notebook for this stuff.
Okay.
You need for science.
Science.
So Jupyter is about notebooks for science, right?
Yes. Okay.
So
make it called. I
already did that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Did it work?
Yeah, it worked. I have my headers. Now I need to figure out how to change the headers.
Right. Aha! Paul says it's still HTTP respond with headers. Haven't fixed that yet.
Respond with headers. All right. Well, let's do the thing. Thank you. HTTP : respond with headers. Okay, so we've got a response, and then we've got a headers dict, and we've got a code. Okay, I can work with that.
Okay. Yeah, we don't actually care what the response is. Okay, right. We're going to test it in curl, so we'll foo in the bar and see those show up in the header. Can you make it like x foo? I'll be happy with it. Maybe like x foo.
Oh, you want to be RFC compliant?
Uh-huh.
I think I have to make this.
Yeah, put it in quotes.
I can't.
Oh, shit. Well, try x foo.
It literally won't let me write it.
Fuck.
I can't be. How am I supposed to write?
Ellen and Paul are gonna love that. Oh my god.
I can't. There are a lot of headers that have dashes in them.
I don't even set a content type that has a dash. You can't put a quote?
I wonder if it does some translation or something of like underscores. Let's find out.
Okay. Yeah. Good.
Send. What's the key combo for send? Hover? No.
X underscore. No, we got the underscore.
Fuck.
But we got the X dash darkling dash execution dash ID.
By the way, I am never going to see Darkline without thinking Darkwing Duck.
Yeah, we're that age.
We are that age.
You can't put quotes.
Let's try single quote. No double quote.
Back quote. Back tick.
Nope.
I want to like paste something in that works for Unicode.
What if I stick it in a variable?
Okay, yeah.
How do I get a line above this?
Okay, that worked. X dash foo. I bet it just says key, but try it.
Oh, you're right. It does just say key. The live value is right there. I mean, we can try it from here too.
Yeah, but it's right there.
Oh, good. Control Enter does exactly what I expected. Nice. Oh my God.
Dict : set.
What?
Okay. The built-in header functions for commonly used headers. To add a header with dash in its name, use dict : set. Okay, so you put the headers in general in a variable. And you start with dict empty and you pipe it to dict set. And then you can use quotes.
Okay.
All right. So the headers in general become a variable instead of just the key.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, so it starts as dict empty, right?
Mm-hmm. Apparently you start that, and then when you hit enter, no. Tab?
Is there a special thing for drop down into a pipe?
Ooh.
There we go.
Oh, okay. What did you push?
Just pipe. Like pipe on the
okay.
keyboard.
Oh, pipe on the keyboard. Okay.
Yeah.
Dict
set.
And then you can say X dash foo.
Wait, key? Oh, okay, yeah.
In quotes.
Yeah, okay.
And then bar. Yeah.
Okay, and then we come down here. This becomes headers.
No.
Oh, no.
Not like that. Fuck. Oh, that looks promising. Okay. Yes.
Are we happy now?
X dash foo bar.
Excellent.
Okay.
All right.
All right.
Woo! I would not have figured that one out.
Yeah. Good thing. Shift enter. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Oh, shift enter? Ooh, love it.
Is that the pipe?
Yeah.
Okay.
Magic pipe inserter.
Right. Okay.
Sweet. All right.
Yeah, I wouldn't have figured that out.
Okay, what were we actually trying to do? Oh, we have to set some headers.
Yeah. Go to the Dropbox site and get their headers.
Okay, they want. Wait, you had their docs open.
There's probably some like standards for the content type.
You had the Dropbox.
But I did.
You had a Dropbox.
Oh yeah. Content type is text / plain, and X dash content dash type dash options is no sniff. No cough either.
Right,
they won't let you in if you have a cough or a fever.
This is going to get its own window. Okay. By the way, I've been a naughty boy and I'm using Edge Dev with plugins with extensions instead of using a vanilla Chrome instance like they recommend. But so far it's working good.
Oh, okay. Oh well, Edge is built on Chrome. So.
Yeah, but they recommend using like just Chrome, no extensions.
I have set up on my computer.
I set one up too.
Because I use Edge with plugins and then Chrome with no plugins. Anyway.
Yeah, exactly.
We're done.
Mm-hmm. So far, so good. Anyway, so it's content type, text, plain.
Not plan.
Thank you. And
then the X content type options.
X content type options. Dropbox, you made that up.
Well, that's what the X is for we made that up, right?
I know. Okay, and we don't really care about the body. Let's let's make the body into an empty string.
Can we make it something cute? Like, can we at least like put the nocte banana? No, it was mushroom. There it is. Ah, the burrata. That was it. Thank you.
Got us some nerds up in here.
Yeah, we haven't watched that movie together yet. But you showed me last night. You showed me Dr. Horrible's sing-along blog. Oh my god, it was beautiful. A benefit of this whole like stay home and be tense thing is stay home and be drunk, and the movies are good.
I picked a terrible time to stop drinking.
You'll be back. You'll be back.
All right, fuck you, Dropbox.
Okay.
What?
Okay, no. Incorrect response. We didn't receive the expected response. T_dash blah. Okay, they got the dark laying. They got the content type options.
What does your doc over there say?
But what's the content type? Where's the content type?
To explain.
Oh, there it is. To explain. Okay.
Klaatu Barada Nikto.
Oh.
Request.orgs.get challenge. Okay, so it's supposed to just respond with the challenge that they send. With it looks like without any modification.
Okay.
Cool. All right.
Get. Oh, like challenge should be like a URL parameter.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, let's check it out.
Or
here it is.
A form encoded parameter. Oh, there it is. Yeah. Oh, okay. It is in the query params. Yeah. All right.
So
the body. Let's make the body a variable. Let's do a let body. Because currently our body is Klaatu.
This doesn't work, does it? Yeah. Body equals. Okay, so it's
response.
It's request.
Request. Yeah. Duh.
Hang on. Request.
Query params.
Query params. Okay.
Challenge.
Nice.
Okay.
Wow.
That's
I'm
nice.
surprised that's a dot. I expected that to be like a subscript or something.
Oh yeah, like square braces or something.
Yeah.
Okay, now I'll change it here.
Yeah. Wumba dumba 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 70. Okay. All right, Dropbox. Hey, look at that.
Oh, it did it.
It's
enabled.
Happy. Yeah.
Wow. Well, we did a thing.
We did do a thing. Okay. Now I need to learn about like how we actually like. You know what?
I'm like I want to like ask a question on Stack Overflow about how to do this so you can answer it. I just feel the need to document. This is how you make dark respond to the Dropbox webhook challenge.
Okay.
I could also throw it up on my blog.
Good.
Watch me do that. Cut and paste that code to me. WordPress. You can bring up the right window. You can do it. Oh my god, the internet. It's suffering lately. Come on.
Paul says it'll be the first dark question on Stack Overflow. Um,
Oh, that's like. I mean, it belongs on Stack Overflow more than on my bark.
Your bark?
Drink water, Jess. One of us is sober, and it is not me.
All right. What was I thinking? Oh yeah. Okay. So I wanna make a change in Dropbox, and I want to see if something happens here, or if I have to set up a some sort of specifier of what events this thing is interested in first. So first thing to do, just change a file. And we'll just go to Tapas. And just go to the actual directory that I care about.
Oh, well, I guess it's fair that there's not a lot of questions on Stack Overflow because it's in beta and not everybody can even try it.
Okay, so there's a new file. Let's take a look at our traces. That was 27 minutes ago. This was 3 minutes ago. Yeah, this was just the challenge. All right, so it's safe to say this is not sending a new ping, so there's probably something I have to set up. All right. Yeah, that would have been too easy. Business endpoints. What else? Will receive change notifications for the team. This really does suggest that it should just receive. I don't see anything that suggests that I have to subscribe. Oh, that's down into templates. Have you received a new one since then? No, still 5 minutes ago.
I don't have enough reputation to create the new tag Darkling.
Oh, yeah.
I can pick Dropbox and
I
stuff.
thought you were blogging about this.
Well, I started blogging and then I wanted to put it, but then Paul said it would be the first Stack Overflow question. But I don't have enough rep on Stack Overflow to create the new tag.
I wonder if I do. Do I did enable it, right? console. Let's open this on a new tab. Apps. Klaatu.
I can put it on the Dropbox tag though. My cloud is whatever. I don't have much reputation. Oh, I have almost half enough. Whatever.
Yeah. How much? Wait, how much?
You need 1,500 to create a new tag.
Oh, look me up.
Okay, are you avdi.codes?
I'm Avdi. I wasn't codes back then. Avdi or Avdigram. Wow.
Aww.
Okay, no, don't, no.
Oh, but I love saying your name. Okay. I don't know how to look up a user.
Just scroll down. Here, users.
Oh. That says 0.
What?
There's your old picture.
No, I have 17,000.
17,000. All right, you go create the new tag then.
But I'm focused. I am trying not to chase any yaks right now.
That's right. That's what I'm here for. I mean, that's part of the pairing is that I go chase some yaks. I love chasing yaks. What are we doing? Okay. Did it send a webhook?
No. And there's no indication that there's any subscription, like that I need to subscribe this to particular events. So I have a terrible feeling that it like only starts sending events once you've been approved for production or something.
Well, the fuck are you supposed to develop anything then? Team member file access. As a team member, I'm a team member. Am I a team member? No. I'm not a team member. I just have some shared folders with you.
I am a team member and I just created a file and nothing happened. It is enabled.
You haven't even filled these other things in.
There's nothing else to fill in.
But look at all the things.
We're not using the chooser or the saver. This is just another. That's like for another webhook. We don't need OAuth because we're using webhooks.
Team member file access. That's what we want. There's an app.
Hang on. 0 of 5. That's interesting.
Oh, so it's like your app isn't linked to the team yet.
Maybe.
Does your app even have a fucking name? Oh yeah, there it is. Klaatu. Okay.
How the fuck do I link it to a team? Okay, I probably have to. Okay.
I have to link it to your team.
No, I don't want desktop login. Fuck off.
Yeah. Admin console. Yeah. That looks promising.
This has got to be in the docs. You can request.
Okay, so we're in the Dropbox docs for how the F do you actually get
linking to a team. Developers will need to direct a Dropbox Business Team administrator through the standard OAuth 2.0 flow to install their application on a Dropbox Business Team. What?
Okay, so you can only hook it to a team with OAuth, so we have to do the OAuth thingy. Well, that's interesting because the OAuth, what did that do? The OAuth thingy involves responding to something usually. So let's OAuth, what's the OAuth thingy say? Oh, what a cute graphic.
I wrote a definitive guide to the OAuth flow a long time ago. Here it is.
OAuth client must present server with a token. Server will return a cookie. Give the cookie to the monkey. And the map will lead you to the banana and the gorilla and the entire jungle.
I fucking hate OAuth.
OAuth is there for reasons.
I know it's there for reasons.
I don't hate OAuth. I don't hate it.
It's terrible.
The world is terrible and trust is hard. OAuth is the best thing we've got for it. Designed by a fucking committee because we need a goddamn committee because it's that or fucking Facebook.
God, do I actually have to implement OAuth here just so I can look it up in the app directory and slot it into my team?
Oh, wait, it's not that bad. It's not bad.
Register your app by creating a new app. After creating your app, you're ready to set up the authorization process in your app. The Dropbox SDKs will take. Oh, good. Yeah, we don't have Dropbox SDKs. We don't have access to Dropbox SDKs.
Right.
If you'd like to test out the Dropbox APIs quickly using your own Dropbox account, you can generate an access token from your newly created app in My Apps by pressing the button that says Generate in the OAuth 2 section of your app settings page.
This is only for your own account.
Okay, that might be what I need. That seems good.
Maybe.
That seems good. Generate. Can be used to access your team via the API. I don't want to access my team. I want it to send me webhooks for. Oh my god! I wanted to send webhooks from my team. Well, we've shared it with someone.
Don't share your access token with anyone. Yeah, that's not what we wanna. Can you regenerate it? Where's the regenerator?
Shit, there isn't. Okay, so this is actually extremely dangerous.
Okay. So the OAuth thingy. Oh, you deleted the app, so everything is gone. That's fine.
Yeah, that actually granted access to
anybody who pretended to be Cloud 2.
Yeah.
But Cloud 2 is gone now. I did observe that when I started using Twitch, I spent approximately half my time deleting tokens that I exposed on Twitch. That was a thing. Okay, so there has to be an OAuth thinger, and the Dropbox SDKs, which are client libraries, right?
It's going to be a series of endpoints that we have to implement.
For OAuth?
Yeah. It's going to be a series of endpoints and redirects.
Which, personally, I'm okay. I know you hate OAuth, but I find it fascinating because it really is, everything in it is there for a reason.
Okay, can you find a large book for me to beat my head against periodically while we do this?
Wait. Let me get you something more appropriate.
Yeah. Van Roy and Lee.
CTM, concepts, technologies, techniques,
this
and models.
Classic. I've been meaning to read
exactly,
this
right?
Pages.
Yeah, me too. Doesn't it smell great? Oh, it smells so good. Smell that textbook.
Oh,
awesome.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah, I think we're far enough away from the school that we can actually
So CTM is totally worthy of beating your head against for OAuth.
Yeah. Oh, look, you even have notes in here.
Oh, yeah, I read part of chapter 1. That is so mean. You haven't beat your head against it.
We haven't actually started trying to implement.
Oh, okay.
New app. God, This is horrible. Team member file access.
I have another half hour.
Okay.
I don't see. Okay, so now the question right now, then, and I'm going to post this on the dark Slack somewhere, is has anyone implemented OAuth 2 in Dart? Dart.
Dart is a different thing. Also a programming language.
Also struggling with letters. This is fun.
All right. Dropbox, okay. User goes to the app. Then Dropbox talks to the app. App talks to Dropbox. Dropbox talks to the app. Then stuff happens. App key, redirect URI, response type, and state. Load, damn it!
Oh, there's a sample OAuth.
Cool.
I'll respond to that. Oh, log into Dart to continue. Okay. There's a Gmail OAuth redirect. Don't go away. Okay. Wow. Yeah, so that's a Gmail one. And there's another one for Slack. Setting up OAuth, relatively painless, it says. Okay. Do you have a redirect URL? Does Dropbox give you like a place to type in the redirect URL?
No.
You sure? For OAuth? See, redirect URL.
Fine.
It does. Whatever. All right. Put your shit in there.
All right. avdi.codes. Built with dark.com slash auth redirect.
Okay, so put that in there.
Okay. So I'm supposed to do this, compose this long ass
Copy it to your address bar. Okay. Wow. Well,
state is just arbitrary data. Should be
there
used.
should be a 404 in dark at some point.
It's not gonna hit that quite yet. I need to go to this, but with the stuff filled in. Okay, so the client ID is
allow, but you'll see a 404 error, it says. This is about Slack, but
well, we can take a look. No, we don't have any.
yeah, maybe. Okay.
No, we need to go to here. Okay, so this is app key. Where's my app key? Where'd my fucking app go? Okay, app key. It's my new tab. Okay, so app key goes here.
So that'll hit it from the browser, which is something.
Wait, it says there are 4 things I need to fill in. What are the other things? Okay, client ID, the app's key.
You might as well.
Yeah, okay, I got that one. Grant type requested either token or code. We're going with code, and that's pre-filled? Yes, okay, good. Redirect URI, where to redirect the user after authorization has completed. This must be the exact URI that registered in the app console.
Which is here.
Which is Dropbox, right?
What?
Oh, no. Oh, I see.
Is it?
Optional for the code flow. Okay, if the redirect URI is omitted, the code will be presented directly to the user and they'll be invited to enter the information in your app.
But you didn't pass the redirect.
I could put that in there.
But we probably don't need it because we don't need to store that they let us, that they made the authorization.
State, I think I can ignore for now. All right, I'm going to go ahead and enter that. Okay, before you connect this app, yes, go ahead, continue. Consume your team's available upload API quota. Yep, okay, allow. All right, there's our code.
Oh, okay. So if you give a redirect, then it says that code to claw to?
Yeah.
Huh.
You know what? Let's try it with the redirect. Fuck.
Where'd it go? Control W.
Is that redirect URI?
Well, it's fun to put things in the database in Dart.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, all right.
Yay, 404. We love 404s.
We do love 404s. All right. Let's add that. There's our trace. Let's get rid of this. Scooch over. Not a fan.
Okay, we got this. What do we need to do with it?
I believe this is a point where we give the banana to the monkey.
So.
Oh, there's our code. Redirected from Dropbox back to your app using the redirect URI provided in it. Okay, first this redirect, blah, 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 blah. Authorization. App will need to make a request to Dropbox to exchange the authorization code for a reusable access token. This request to exchange the authorization code for an access token takes place behind the scenes with a call to the /token API endpoint and shouldn't be visible to your end users. And that's over here.
Yeah, and there's like some secret shit that we're supposed to do. Yeah, there's a data store involved, which is fun.
Calls to OAuth2 token need to be authenticating using the app's key and secret. These can either be passed as application xwww for post parameters or via HTTP basic authentication. If basic authentication is used, the app key should be provided as the username and the app secret should be provided as the password.
Yeah, so I think we need to respond to Dropbox with blah, blah, blah. See, this is why Zapier hasn't fixed this shit yet.
Because it's annoying.
But that's fine. We can do it.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we have to respond back with a post. Excuse me.
Grant type must be authorization code, client ID, client secret. It should be the app secret. Redirect URI.
No, we're not going to curl though. But yeah, we're going to do that. We're going to hit the Dropbox API in here. Say response equals go and return it, but in between we need to say, but this one has it. This example has the post as a return value, but we can say, we can put that in a variable if we want. HTTP client post. Okay, and then you need the whatever Dropbox linky thingy is that we're supposed to respond to. That was promising. And then fortunately the headers don't have any dashes in them.
Nice.
So you need to say client ID is...
What's the body? Anything? Wait, no, it's not headers. It's body. It's body. It's fine. Like URL encoded or something, right?
Sure, whatever. But it doesn't have
these
any
are
dashes,
-ds.
so it's okay.
Yeah. So it's code equals no. Oh, I see what I did wrong. What? No, stop it. No.
Okay. But unfortunately...
Do you have to go?
Well, no, I have another 15 minutes, but like we need to not share a screen.
Yeah.
For the bits where we get the client ID and stuff.
Can you check that?
Check what?
The screen.
Oh, whether we're okay.
Over there.
That one. Your browser encountered an error. while decoding the video. It wasn't a problem with the headers, though.
Okay.
Okay, so still look. All right. Okay, so we're supposed to put, we have the audio's working though, right?
It should be, yeah. In theory.
Okay, so, yeah, all right. Right, so you need to do
I
the
need
client.
code equals authorization. Code acquired by direct. Okay, so I know where that is. That's,
Okay.
it's query params code, yeah, okay. That's that. Grant type is, must be authorization code. Redirect URI. Oops. Oh, I see. Credentials is either passed as basic auth or passed in here. Okay, we'll just pass them in here.
Yeah, and then we have to figure out how to like shrink that window thing so that we can share our screen again.
Yeah.
Quotes. ID and the secret. Okay. And then we're gonna. But this is gonna give us something back, which we need to store it in a token database thingy.
There's the else. Okay, you can stop showing it now. Stop showing it.
Team ID and access token.
Query is nothing. Headers is nothing special, I don't think. I don't think we need any special headers.
Well, we do need to save the response to a variable.
Yeah, I have token response equals.
Okay, good.
And then,
So for like because addict empty, hold on. Ah, I hit something, dang it. Back. This. Form content type for the last one.
HTTP.
Ah, I touched something.
Oh, okay, I like that, okay.
Form content type for the headers.
Nice. Oh, yeah, XWW form URL encoded, that makes sense.
Hopefully open brace, close brace is the same as dict empty.
Probably. Okay.
Okay, and later we're gonna have to store shit to a token store, but you should be able to respond with just success as a string. Okay, yeah, something like that. But we are eventually going to have to like save the shit that we get back from that post. But we can't show the post, so we can't show our screen because we have a client secret in there.
All right, so now I'm going to go ahead and replay this.
Oh, we got an invalid client ID or client secret.
Crap.
Bummer. can't show our screen for this stuff.
You know, trying to get through it.
Okay. Client ID, client secret, code. Did you do...
Client ID is supposed to be the app key. I looked that up.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, I got code in there. Code is the code that was sent in.
Request query grams code. Okay, yeah.
Yeah. And client ID is supposed to be the app key.
Okay.
It says that here.
Okay.
Yeah, client ID should be the app's key.
Okay.
And then client secret should be the app's secret, and that's this and this.
Yeah, okay.
Let's check that.
It starts with E. Yep, and the other one starts with B. That
Yeah.
looks promising. Okay, what else? Grant type, authorization code.
That's the one.
Redirect URI is the same one as this?
It's supposed to be the same. It's just used as validation.
Oh, okay.
It says redirect URI only used to validate that it matches the original authorized, not used to redirect again.
Original of to authorized. Access token type. What?
Invalid client ID or client secret. I wonder if it's just because it's like in development mode or something.
Development team 01.
Yeah, so I have a slot open.
But you have the right. Do you have the right team thingy?
I don't think I need that yet. I came in from because I came in from here.
Okay.
Which implicitly authenticated me using my logged in Dropbox, and
Okay.
it gave me the right info for that. So
I'll hit enter from there anyway. Like from there.
okay.
Not found. That's different. It's different.
That's odd. Why is it not found? Specifically. All right, this is 13 minutes ago. This is less than that. Okay. Same thing.
Same thing. Silver client secret on the screen, so we can't share it.
And we're on the error rail.
Okay. So got some anger from that. Your client secret. Well, we should probably cut and paste them again, just on principle. It could also be a different redirect URI, or generally anything different from what the fuck